kumusta po muna kayo?
Very good naman.
So, how does it feel being after coming back here sa Congress po after nung inyong suspension?
After?
After ng suspension sa inyo, nakabalik na po kayo ulit.
Well, I miss my job and I'm glad to be back, especially ngayon, makapafile na namin yung... I have plenty of bills that I'd like to file and I have plenty of tax policies that I'd like to change, which is specifically yung value-added tax on fuel products. Gusto naming tanggalin yon, excise tax, kasi ngayon hindi pa natanggal yung excise sa diesel at gasolina, hindi na kaya ngayon. And it's too big of an issue now that the transport sector can't handle it. Kailangan na talaga nating tanggalin yung excise at yung value-added tax, pero mukhang hinaharangan pa ni Marcos.
Okay. So, yung nangyari naman pong pag-aresto kagabi, I mean, pagsukod yung kagabi
Yes.
dahil sa warrant. Can you
Tell us
update
more
us?
about the details.
Oh, it's just the usual. Sumuko ako because I heard there was a warrant of arrest. I was informed by my legal team. But as for the specific details, it's still with my attorney and I would be discussing it in a speech later.
Sir, what have you feel during the time na na-receive mo yung o nakita mo yung warrant of arrest?
Wala, okay lang, sanay na makulong. No, joke lang. I was already expecting that. I have plenty of cases, so we were expecting warrants of arrest anytime soon.
Ano kayo
Anytime
nagtagal,
soon.
sir, sa loob? How agad ba kayo nagpiyansa?
Nakapag-fundraising naman agad. I like to thank all my supporters and para sa mga hindi nakatulong sa fundraising namin po. Madami pa namang kaso and hopefully tulungan niyo ako makapag-piyansa next time.
So, do you feel humiliated dun sa naglabas ng mga pictures, SOCMED, yung mugshot, like,
Hindi kasi pogi naman ako sa picture. It's a very good picture. Siguro kung hindi maayos yung mukha ko. Pero as for the photography it's very good. Very high quality. So I'd like to thank the people who took the
When you say
pictures.
fundraising, hindi sa'yo galing yung pera na pinampiyansa?
Hindi sa akin galing. Ha? Bail is 400,000 pesos total, I think. Around 400,000 pesos.
dahil po yung kaso.
So, nagsasabi na mas nauna pa raw kayo nakulong kaysa dun sa mga dapat.
Yung post nyo kanina ko.
Ay, yung mas nauna akong makulong kaysa sa...
Sa mga kurap na congressman.
Oh, I mean, syempre, mauna talaga akong makukulong since sila hindi makukulong, wala pa silang mga kaso. And the big problem here is that yung mga nagnakaw, yung mga na-involved sa flood control, they're very close with President Marcos. So, it will all lead to Malacanang. Hindi silang pwede ipakulong, kasi especially yung kay Speaker Romualdez, yung mga congressman na na-involved sa ICI. If they were to be imprisoned, it will all lead to Marcos. And that's why it's still a big issue there. Wala talaga makukulong sa
Are
kanila.
you disappointed po sa ating justice system?
Expected na natin to. This is expected, especially now. It's worsened a lot recently.